Hey tech enthusiasts! If you've ever felt like your laptop is stuck in slow motion, it's time to consider an SSD upgrade. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, have revolutionized how we approach data storage. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, SSDs have no moving parts, which means they're faster and more reliable. Imagine booting up in seconds and launching applications without the wait. An SSD can breathe new life into your laptop, increasing its speed and longevity, making it the must-have upgrade for any laptop user. Before diving into the upgrade, let's break down the main SSD types: SATA, NVMe, and PCIe. SATA SSDs are your entry-level champions. They fit most laptops and offer a solid speed boost. But if you're aiming for top-tier performance, NVMe and PCIe are your go-to OS. They're lightning fast, ideal for gaming or heavy editing tasks. Understanding which SSD suits your needs and laptop model can save you time and maximize performance. So, take a minute, check your laptop's compatibility, and choose the right fit. Preparation is key when upgrading to an SSD. First, back up your data. Seriously, don't skip this step. An external drive or cloud service works well. Next, find the right SSD by balancing price and performance. Popular Nigerian tech platforms often have great deals, so keep an eye out. Sites like Jumia or Konga offer competitive prices and reliable customer reviews. Being prepared with the right SSD and backed up data ensures your upgrade goes smoothly. Now let's get hands-on. First, unplug your laptop and lay it on a soft surface. Use a screwdriver to carefully access the hard drive area. Once inside, gently disconnect and remove the old HDD. Take your new SSD, slide it in, and ensure it's firmly connected. Reassemble your laptop, double-checking all connections. Take it slow and follow the instructions to avoid mistakes. Once everything's buttoned up, you're all set for the next phase. With the SSD installed, it's time for the post-setup magic. Start by installing your operating system from a bootable USB drive. Then, restore your backed-up files. Take a moment to adjust settings for optimal SSD performance, like enabling trim and disabling disk defragmentation. These tweaks ensure your SSD runs efficiently, giving you the best speed boost possible. Even with careful prep, hiccups can happen. Some common issues include BIOS not recognizing the SSD or transfer errors. Make sure you double-check your connections and compatibility. If you hit a wall, online communities and forums can be lifesavers. Platforms like Reddit or dedicated tech forums have experienced users ready to help troubleshoot your specific problem. So what's the payoff? Enhanced speed, reliability, and future-proofing your tech. There's no going back once you experience the rapid boot times and seamless multitasking an SSD provides. An SSD is not just an upgrade, but an investment in productivity. If you've been thinking about boosting your laptop's performance, now's the time. Drop your questions or SSD success stories in the comments. We love hearing from you. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for more tech upgrades and tips. Join our community of tech enthusiasts, and let's keep exploring how to make our tech work better for us.